Hi guys, my name is Paige and today I have a very exciting video for you guys. So today I'm going to be making a copycat Starbucks iced chai tea latte. And my sister loves the Starbucks iced chai tea lattes. She gets them with vanilla sweet cream cold foam on top. And so I'm going to be trying to make the exact same thing. And then she's going to do a blind taste test with both the real Starbucks one and my homemade version. And she's going to see if she can tell the difference and she's going to tell us which one tastes better. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm going to start by making the iced chai tea latte, and to start I have half a cup of hot water and I put a chai tea bag in it, and then I'm going to add a teaspoon of granulated sugar, and the recipe that I'm using for this will be linked in the description box. So I'm going to let this sit for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally, and then I'll be back. Alright guys, so it has been about 5 minutes, and now I'm going to take the tea bag out. I've stirred it and all the sugar is dissolved. So my mom taught me to do this when I was little to get all the remaining tea out. And then I'm going to put this and half a cup of milk in the fridge and let it chill. And then in that time, I will make the vanilla sweet cream cold foam. Next, I'm going to make the vanilla sweet cream cold foam. I will link the recipe I'm using for this down below as well. And so to start, I have half a cup of heavy whipping cream. I have a fourth a cup of 2% milk. And then I'm going to add a tablespoon and like a half of vanilla syrup. So to start, I'm going to mix in the fourth a cup of 2% milk, and I'm sure you can use any milk for this. I would just, if you're making this at home, just look at the recipe. And then I'm going to add in a tablespoon and like a half of the vanilla syrup. So it's probably good. Okay, and so then I'm gonna mix this up and I'm gonna put it into the fridge to chill for a few minutes. And then while it's chilling, I'm going to go to Starbucks and grab the real thing. Alright guys, so I just got back from Starbucks. It's in the fridge. I'm going to try to do this all as fast as possible. So I have our vanilla sweet cream cold foam. It's not really foam yet. And I'm going to pour about, I'm just going to guesstimate. I feel like that's probably good. And I'm going to pour it into this glass, which has been in the freezer for about like 30 minutes. And then I'm going to shake it for about like probably 2 or 3 minutes until it's foamy, and then I'll be back. Alright guys, so I have the Starbucks one here and I have mine over here, and I'm going to mix the tea that we made with the milk, and I'm using 2% milk for everything, so you guys can go based on that or whatever you guys want to do. So I'm mixing this. Okay, and I'm going to pour it over the ice. I've tried to get the exact same amount of ice in each glass. So we'll put it like this. I really hope she can't tell, but she might be able to. And then I have the cold foam that I just have shaken a bunch, and I'm going to put it here. Wow, that looks so cool. Okay guys, so I need to take a thumbnail now, and then I will come back and I'm going to have poured this in the drink the same way. I might show you guys that, I might not, but yeah. Alright guys, so now I'm going to pour the Starbucks one into this glass. I'm going to try to do it without disturbing the cold foam. Guys, I'm so excited. I really hope that they just both are good, because we know the Starbucks one is good. Hopefully mine's good too. Okay, so when Brooke tries it, she's going to be blindfolded so she can't see, and I've told her not to try to smell or anything, just to taste it. Okay, so we have them both next to each other, and I'm going to call Brooke in a second. Okay guys, so this is my sister Brooke. She's blindfolded right now, and I have numbers on the glasses. You might not be able to see, but so I can tell which one's which. And Brooke, I'm going to have you start with number 1. I'll hand it to you, and then you're going based on the taste, okay? And I don't know what else you'd judge on, but don't smell it, okay? Go.
Stop. Okay, stop.
Do you want a straw?
No.
You're gonna get on the mouse guard. Okay. I can fix it. Okay. And now this is number 2. Do you need to clean your palette or you feel okay?
I'm okay.
Okay. This is number 2. It's cold. Okay. Do you need a sip of another one at all? Okay, so which one do you think was the homemade one? Number 1 or number 2?
Number 1.
Number 1.
Okay, and so you think the Starbucks one's number 2?
Yeah.
You can take your blindfolds off.
Okay.
Okay, and so how was the flavor? I'm not gonna tell you. But...
they both tasted really good.
Okay.
At first, when I tasted the first one, I was like, oh, this is the Starbucks one. But then I tasted the second one and I was like, no,
that's the Starbucks one. Okay. Yeah. So you were right.
Then,
number 1 is the homemade one, and number 2 is the Starbucks. I've been looking at you the whole time instead of the camera. Sorry, guys. But she was right. Number 1 is the Starbucks one. Nope, it's the homemade one. Yeah, I guess you can see like the Starbucks one's a little lighter in color, and then mine's a little darker. I think it's probably more exaggerated on camera, but I'm also gonna try them and give you guys a review. My mom is watching intently from behind the camera. Okay, I would think this is the Starbucks one.
No, literally. But it's this one. It's the cold foam that gave it away. The texture of it.
Yeah. Okay, I would say the tea tastes pretty similar.
The tea tastes the exact same.
And the cold foam tastes the same.
It does taste the same. It just, the texture is different.
The texture is different. I got mine like pretty foamy. I'll try to give you guys an up-close view. Oh, it's the exposure. Oh my gosh, okay. You know what? I will just insert a picture because it was not focusing. But yeah, Starbucks one was just like more dense.
Yeah,
more dense. Okay, but anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I will link the recipes in the description. And Brooke, thank you for being in the video. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. And if you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you don't like this video, like this video anyway. All right, bye guys.